Hello and welcome. It's Julie Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with another pour with some hopefully kind of bright and uplifting colours, but hopefully they don't go AWOL like they did on me the other day. I did do a pour on this canvas with the kind of flower look and blew out the colours, but I did not like it. I thought it was a disaster myself, so I scraped the paint off onto the paper and washed the canvas off and outside in a bucket and let it dry, and I'm starting again. So I'm going to do something completely different. So I kind of want to do, which I'm going to add just kind of a line of where I want to go with this. This is just an acrylic pen, Posca, so it will, because it's acrylic, it'll just melt in with the colour as I, you know, it doesn't matter, it's a gold, it doesn't matter if it shines through, just to give me a bit of an idea of where I'm going with this one. Now this is the lovely purple with a good dash of the pearl mist. So you can get this everywhere now, I'm told. So the paints, but they're definitely Capriol Creative online where I get it from. They do ship worldwide, and I think the more you have, the less it costs for shipping. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that because I don't deal with any of that, but from what I was told. So this colour has got so much sparkle in it, and it's an absolutely beautiful purple anyway. So adding that pearl mist, it's just sparkling. Hopefully I'll bring you down for a close-up so you can see what's going on. So this is the second time I'm trying to rescue this particular canvas and get a pour that I'm really happy with. And remember, it's only you that you've got to please, you know. And we are our own worst critics, I must admit. I know that I am for myself. So, but if you're really not liking something, then you know it is only a bit of paint. So try again until you get something that you feel really happy and satisfied with. It's, remember, in the art room, as the only rules are there's no rules. That's what's the case in my room, my art room anyway. I have to keep telling myself that, so I feel better about things that I do scrape or I think oh, absolutely lovely, and I know that somebody else can come along and think, oh my gosh, what has she done there? So got that lovely purple, and I'm really going to go all out here with this fluoro pink. So mixed with my normal pouring medium, which is in the description box below this video. Just click on the title of the video and the drop down box will appear. So this is a real super duper Barbie colours. Remember my granddaughters, everything about the Barbie dolls was in these colours, like the fluoro pinks and purples that she loved for dressing her Barbies. And she probably hate me for saying that now, she's a lot older. But we still have young granddaughters that I'm sure will love their Barbie dolls. So maybe I should call this my Barbie doll pour, but it might not end up being that way when I finish with it. So I'll just keep my mouth shut. So you can absolutely use your fingers for your edges of your canvas. Sometimes it's the easiest and quickest way to get paint over the edges. Using a spatula, it can be kind of scratchy and not get enough paint on, but I find with your fingers it absolutely is a quicker way. And don't worry about any gaps here because I can sort that out. Dogs are wandering in and out here saying, oh, she's up to her antics in the paint room again, so they all settle down at the moment, so that's really good. Rightio, might just put a bit on here. Sort of feeling a lot better today from the really horrible cough that I've had. So I'm just keeping my fingers crossed that I've got that one sorted out. Rightio. I am going to add just a bit of white down the demarcation line down here. Now, what do I want to do? I want to add some real brightness in here, as if it's not bright enough. So I'm going to add some cool red, and this has actually got, my cool red has got some of that pearl mist in, so it's all sparkling. So I'm adding the cool red, I'm adding my orange, which I always put a good dash of yellow in my orange. I'm going to add some yellow to that as well. I'm going to add some more white. Just doing one at a time because I'm not sure how this is going to go. So I have got a really bit of Berry Delicious. It's a real dark black cherry, and this has got a really lot of that pearl mist in for effect in it. So I'm just going to see how these colours turn out. And then I've made up a new batch of the Amsterdam White with Floetrol. So these are all the global colours. Just the one in here is the Amsterdam White with Floetrol. Oh, so if that works out, I'll have forgotten what colours I layered on there. Silly jilly. Rightio, I might just start on the very low setting on my baby blower. Sort of come down. Wow. Gorgeous. So there's no special paints or anything. The only thing was the top was this. So I want to do a few of those, but I'm just, in the meantime, I want to just add some detail in there. So I just drag my skewer, wiping it off in between so you don't muddy up your colours. Just do it nice and relaxed and enjoy the process. It sort of, yeah, breaks up those petals a bit. Oh, I'm happy with that. Not sure what I'm going to do to these bits yet, but I'll completely forget what I put on the bottom first, but it doesn't matter. I will just, all you can do is try. So it doesn't need to be the same. It's abstract art. So I'm going to go the cool red. I didn't put hot pink in the last one, did I? No, I put the orange. So the orange. The yellow, whoop. Some white. Wow, definitely Barbie doll colours. White, orange, yellow, white. I'm going to add some of that Berry Delicious because that gave this lovely kind of effect in here. Beautiful. And then a good dash right, keep it on low. Oh, I can have a big one and a smaller one, because when I've picked it out, when I've drawn some detail in it, there's gorgeous cells in the centre there. So I just want to slow myself down here so I think about what I'm doing. Sometimes get too carried away. I just love those cells in the centre, so really worth me trying to recreate that as a whole different piece. Now I'm wondering if I just blow that very bit out at the end. It's okay. Wow. Oh, look at those cells coming up in that. That's amazing. Not sure whether I should do a sort of stemmy thing. I think I might. Oh, it's gone. My wee balloon. I don't know where it's gone. How can a balloon disappear when I was going to just try and soften these bits up, but I'm quite happy with that. Ooh, look at that. I mean, maybe I can wowzers. I'll have to watch it, because you might have other colours on your fingers, but that normally dries out pretty flat. It looks pretty lumpy while it's like that, but it normally, thankfully, dries out flat. So I will just bring you down and have a look at the cells in these gorgeous. Just look at those gorgeous cells in there that's created. And look at the sparkle in the purple with the pearl mist in it. That is just gorgeous. Even the sparkle from that Berry Delicious in there. And the cool red with that yellow, like highlighting it around the edges. That's beautiful. Oh, that kind of looks like a parrot or a bird head there. That's funny what comes out in your pores. But those, just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, there you go. Is it a winner chicken dinner, or oh, excuse me, I've got this cough still, can't get rid of it. Alrighty folks, I will see you tomorrow. Hope you liked that one. Yeah, it was nice to do something like this again. Bye for now.